So I'm currently on site today to inspect this building you see behind me here. This is a building that the owner the owner is building it as a residential, but after seeing some videos he got the idea for setting up a water factory. So I'm here to just have a look around, see the whole place and give my own take on it, on how I see the project going, using this space for a portable pure water factory with one machine. So this space here is the main entrance for the factory, and when we come to this particular room here, I think this is a parlor, but this is where we proposed to be used as a finished product room. So since we'll be converting here to a finished product room, we'll be extending this place. So that means this wall will go down and there will be expansion here with these rooms. Yeah, this wall here will go down and there will be expansion just to make it big enough to carry enough water. So when constructing a factory, there are several sections that we need to create space for. There is the main production hall, the finished product room, the cloak room, water treatment section, the raw materials room too, and other spaces. So this building, from what I can see, can be converted to suit such purpose or all these requirements, because after having the finished product room here, this space can be converted to have a cloak room, and let's see, we can have cloak room here, and we can also have raw material sections here. The raw material section, sorry. Yeah. Then we propose this place for production hall. It can also be used for the office too. An office will be here with the production hall. So this is it. With the right engineer and the right plan, working with the right plan, we can be able to properly utilize this space for the pure water factory, a portable pure water factory. So there is actually water board coming here. That's a water board, the normal government water board. We can't use a borehole, will be drilled here for the purpose of the project. So normally for a water factory, the borehole should be at least anywhere from 90 meters. Although NAFDAC requirement for borehole drilling is 120, but anything from 90-100, if you can get enough water, you can use it for your pure water factory. Then we also need an overhead tank. Since we are utilizing the space here, let me switch the camera. An overhead tank is also required. We can have an overhead tank here just to make maximum use of the space. Then the water treatment section too can be around here outside. We'll have the reverse osmosis machine, the purification tanks, and at least 2 or 3 more tanks down here. One will be for raw water, that will be the overhead. We'll have semi-treated, number 2, then number 3, the treated tank. And once we have all those ones set up, we can also create a shed here, a shed that will cover the treatment equipment and the tanks. This is to prevent any bacteria or anything from growing within that space there. So this sockaway to need to cover it and floor the whole place. Need to raise this fence too a little, because now it's still short. Then in the factory too, on the floor, we'll create openings for floor drains. This is where we are proposing for the production room. So we'll have at least one floor drain there. We'll have a floor drain maybe by that side too, that side, and so on. We'll expand this entrance too, so that at least, or we don't even need to expand this, we can make another big entrance there, where if we bring the equipment, it will just come in through the finished product room, then through the space we'll be creating here into the main production hall. Here can even be used as a changing room, or even this space here. See, there's enough space here. So we'll just need to settle down, work with the building plan, and see how we'll bring out a good factory here. So this is my analysis on the place, at least. And we need light here too, but I think there's light, so we need a generator of at least 15 kVA or 10 kVA if it's only one machine. But if you are using generator, it's good you have two machines, so that you won't just be burning fuel for only one machine. At least you have two machines to double the production.